Alright guys, it's 5:03 p.m. right now, and it's still Saturday. Hey Zoe, go! Sorry guys, a dog just came into the kitchen, so I had to let her out. This is the autofill picture, so people had to let the dogs out of the kitchen because it's not allowed for them. 5:04. It's still 6th of September 2025. I'm gonna show you. Let me take another one. And put it back up there.
We have 2 types of dog food right now. Yeah.
You'll hear it filling.
Babucha.
Hey, Zoe.
Ow.
Sorry. You have rice?
Plain rice.
It starts filling up. Now I'm gonna let it be.
But it's not fast.
One more thing. Here's this fridge manager. These are the settings.
Now she's interested to see what these 2 dogs are eating. But baby, they will gang up and fight you now if you try to come for their food. Lupin, from when have you started entering inside?
Lupin, hey! Go!
So, come here.
गुंडी अमित तू क्या वहाँ पे नाच रहा है?
अरे उनका वो टैबलेट मिलाना रहता है ना?
नहीं कुछ नहीं करना रहता है, just give it.
थोड़ा पानी डाल के ये करना रहता है ना?
चल अमित थोड़ा हाँ.
Hey Lupin, go!
Back. Come.
Just it's filled up.
Zoe?
Do I feel you both there? What is wrong with both of you? Come here.
Zoe, come here.
Alright, here's the dishwasher.